Wow, this banana is magical.
If monkeys have only one banana, that banana instantly becomes a premium banana. Like celebrity influencer level banana. Paparazzi banana incoming!
Hello everyone, welcome to Bananawood.
But when monkeys start growing tons of bananas, suddenly bananas are basic. Value drops, market crashes. If monkeys want more bananas, but the farmer produces the same amount, price goes sky high. Bananas become luxury goods. The monkey economy starts trembling.
Look at this priceless
If demand stays the same, but the farmer has fewer bananas, bananas turn into rare collectibles. Scream! But then peace returns, monkey eats banana, sun shines, all good. Until the monkey tells his friends about the banana shop. Everyone rushes in. Banana's gone! Shelves empty! Farmer needs more trees, but seeds are expensive, so he raises prices. Classic monkey capitalism. Now, monetary inflation. Demand same, supply same. But monkeys suddenly have more leaves, their money.
The prices are skyrocketing.
Banana prices shoot up because leaves are worthless. Monkey becomes poor in real time. Economists cry too.
I don't have enough coins to buy the banana.
Hyperinflation is full mayhem. Prices rise. Government prints more leaves. Bananas get more expensive. Government prints even more leaves. Everything is out of control.
The lords won't stop. From this day forward, sticks shall be our new curse.
Eventually, the government burns all the leaves and invents a new currency, sticks. Yup, stick.
The availability of leaves and bananas.
The rule is
increases.
simple. If
Even
monkeys'
with the
leaves
price tag
rise
on
at the same
bananas,
pace as banana
happiness
prices,
rises.
no problem.
Higher
If
prices
leaves
lead to
rise while
sadness
prices
and
stay the
banana
same, monkey
availability.
gets rich. But if leaves stay the same and banana prices rise, sad monkey economics.
Tomorrow will be better.
Banana stocks are soaring.
We've all
higher
been
than
that monkey.
ever.
So maybe banana investing
This
is smart.
is the
Bananas
golden
grow,
era
bananas
of
taste
fruit
good, bananas
investment.
appreciate over time. Sometimes economics is literally bananas. Subscribe now before banana prices go up again.